All right, today we're going to talk about rate of change, and that's lesson 8-4. Rate of change is the rate that describes how one quantity changes in relationship to another quantity. Here we have a graph, and we're going to take two ordered pairs from that graph. We're going to use our slope method, and here's 0, 0, and 24, 8. Remember, the first numbers in our parentheses are x's, the second are y's. Remember, it's y minus y, so 0 minus 8 is negative 8. 0 minus 24 is negative 24. A negative divided by a negative is positive, and 8 over 24 simplifies to be 1/3. Now, as far as the statement, first of all, it's positive, so it's going to be an increase, 1/3. And on the y-axis, we have pages read, so it's y information on the y-axis per, and the time in minutes comes from our x-axis. So it's 1/3 page per minute, and it's an increase. Looking at the next example, they've taken any two ordered pairs. If we'll take 1, 2, and 2, 4, y minus y is negative 2, x minus x is negative 1, and that simplifies. Negative divided by a negative is positive, and 2 divided by 1 is 2. So it's positive, so it's an increase of 2. Now we have to describe it. The y information is degrees Celsius, increase of 2 degrees Celsius per, and what our x information is about hours, per hour. So we find the rate of change using our slope method, the formula. If it's positive, it's increase. And then we have to make the statement. Remember, this is from our y information per x information. All right, let's try another one. Any 2 points, we can use 0, 0, and 2, 1,000. Remember, y minus y is negative 1,000. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And our answer is going to simplify to positive 500. So that's an increase of 500 miles per hour. All right. So here's another graph. They weren't nice enough to give us the black dots for points, but we can use 0, 0, and we can also use 420 or 840 or 1260. Any of those 2 points. I'm just going to use these two. 0, 0 and 420. Y minus y is 20. 4 minus 0 is x minus x equals 4. That simplifies to 5, and our answer is positive. So it's an increase of 5, looking at our y-axis, cookies, per person. And there's our answer. Looking at this graph for number 3, I'm going to use this point right here, which is 0, 36, and this point, which is 12, 0. Y minus y is 36. X minus x is negative 12, which simplifies to negative 3. Because that's negative, we know it's going to be a decrease. So decrease of 3 items sold per dollar. There's my answer. All right, so that was finding the rate of change of one situation. Now we're going to do a couple where we have to think about two things happening. So, looking on the back side, in problem number 1, we have 2 beakers, beaker 1 and beaker 2, and this is the X value. This is the Y value for beaker 1, and this is the Y value for beaker 2. Let's go for beaker 1 first. Beaker number 1. Pick any 2 ordered pairs. I'm going to pick this one and this one. So, 0, 100, and then 2, 92. 100 minus 92 is 8. 0 minus 2 is -2. And that simplifies to -4. Well, if we look at our information, -4, that's going to be a decrease of 4 degrees Celsius per minute. That's beaker 1. Now we've got to do beaker number 2. And I'm going to use these 2 ordered pairs, 0, 100 and 2, 99. 0, 100 and 2, 99. Y minus Y is 1. X minus X is -2. And that's going to be -1/2. So that's going to be a decrease of 1/2 degree Celsius per minute. All right. Now the very last part of this problem says to compare the rates of change. Well, this has a change of 4 degrees Celsius per minute, and this has a change of 1/2 degrees Celsius per minute. So our statement can be beaker 1 has a greater rate of change okay. Now if they were to ask by how much, if we subtracted them, we could say that beaker 1 was decreasing 3.5 degrees faster each minute than beaker 2. Okay.